Emergency, emergency! Clear the area immediately!
Stay still, ain't nobody order!
Move out, save yourselves! 10 cents, cut your barge rope and pull free!
My barge is clear, but Bruno's is blocking the way!
I know what to do! Stay still, Hector! Ready!
Oh, come on, Bruno's, cast off, let's get out of here!
And calm! And calm! And calm!
Right harder, go on!
Cut out!
Okay, his engine's out, I'm going through!
Don't be a fool, 10 cents. Get out of there!
He's right, move!
He's got himself into this. Leave him!
It's too dangerous, 10 cents!
You're coming with me, Bruno!
Keep going, 10 cents! Keep going! The trapper's on fire! It'll blow any second!
If you move me, they've got my orders and they ought to say they're looting fuel out.
You can load all you want after I get you out of here. Hey, OJ, what shall I do with him?
Put him at the back, out the way. We don't want any more of his orders.
Boy, this is a mutiny. Take me back immediately. Obey orders. Obey orders. Orders is orders.
Oh no, Big Mickey's rocket's going up.
Move out, everyone! It's going over!
Here we are! I'll keep clear!
Just hope Mickey gets it right, otherwise he'll sink us all.
Big Mickey!
Oh, he's done it. He's falling sideways.
Yeah, that was too close for comfort.
It took real skill to make that move.
He saved us all for sure. But the fire's getting out of control.
You'd have heard the siren for sure. The fire tug will reach us any minute. Just wish it were here now.
Fire tug won't be much good. Look at that trapper!
The aft order's blown out, a fire will really spread.
I feel so helpless.
God, they were really big explosions.
There's more to come yet. Just you wait. She was nearly fully loaded before that naval twit arrived. What's on board will rip her apart.
Isn't there anything we can do?
Like what, dummy? Anyway, you've done your bit. Just sit back and watch.
But it's spreading, and that means puff at the dockside will go up.
You're right, 10 cents. Come on, everyone. Shout and warn Puffer.
Go on, Puffer. Go on, Puffer.
Puffer, get over there, will you? Will you get over there, Puffer? Come on. That's all we needed. The petrol's caught fire.
And that tank's fully loaded. I must try and get it out to sea.
Don't do it. Stay back. If that blows, it'll take you with...
Hey, the building's on fire now! Oh, I can't seem to stop it! Oh.
Just keep playing water on it, sunshine. Stop the spray. Stop the spray. Warrior, get out of there. It's time to blow. I can control it, don't worry. Well... Oh, that be it, mate. Move back, warrior! Move back! No, sir. I've got to look after Papa. He's a mighty valuable and good friend. You've got to look after your friends, you know. Okay, warrior. Here, Durham, give me a hand with his fire barge. We've got to try and save that trapper.
Can't see this barge doing much good, mister. But you're in charge.
Go on, sir. Show 'em, Mooser.
10 cents! It's 10 cents! The oil barge! I must have...
Stay put, sunshine. You're needed here.
But he might need help!
Stay where you are.
Move up, Soren. She's gonna keel over any moment now. There's nothing more we can do. Stand clear, everyone! Stand clear! She's going!